Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know we have a new app that we are now using for our workshops. It kind of helps everyone keep on the same agenda, know what's going on throughout the day. We're able to paste announcements that you guys are able to see, and everyone's allowed to share photos of the event, good things that are happening, have discussion boards. So, what I wanted to do is run a little video to show you guys how to use the app, where to go to download it, and then just how to pick your schedule and agenda and so forth. So you'll see right here, I'm going to open up my App Store here, and I'm going to, once I open the App Store, I'm going to go ahead and search for Zoho Backstage for attendees. I'm going to go ahead and click this button to download. And then you'll notice here, I'm going to hit the open button instead of trying to find the app in my millions that I have as it is. On this screen here, I'm going to go ahead and hit allow. That completely is up to you. This just allows us to send you notifications during the event. Let's go ahead and hit get started also. And here you're going to search for the events. Go ahead and type in RollMaster here and hit Seattle or whatever workshop you're planning on attending at the time you watch this video. Now to log in, you've got to hit the three lines at the top left-hand corner and go ahead and hit sign in. Now, you can scan your QR code on your tag or hit the email address for sign in, which most of you don't have a registration tag yet. So go ahead and hit that sign in button. Once you do that, you're going to get a code in your email. Once you get that, enter this code in here. The code only lasts about 2 minutes, so don't go very far during this process. Now that I've signed in, you'll notice here I have my home screens, tickets, or agenda. Now, you also see my sessions here. These are sessions I may have signed up to now that I have the app downloaded. The announcements here of any announcements we made. Sometimes we do upcoming dinner reservations, things like that. Your sessions, again, will be everywhere that you've put, that you've selected you like to take as a session. Another area here is once you go into the agenda, you'll be able to select events of which you'd like to add to your agenda so you don't forget about them and consistently have to scroll. You do that by literally just going to each event and hitting add that you're interested in attending. This also helps us know and gauge how many people will be coming to each event. Just because you don't select it doesn't mean that we won't expect more people or less at some of the events. We understand things change. Um, but we'd love for everyone to download this app. It does, again, help us make sure that we have enough activities and enough material and or food for certain events that you attend. Um, Another thing is each time you click on one of these programs, you'll notice that there'll be a um, quick little review on what the course may cover. Some of them may not, like dinners and so forth, like that, but most of them will have a quick synopsis of what you're going to be learning during this class. And if you ever have any questions about what you might be learning, feel free to ask one of us. We're always happy to go through this with you. And see here, you'll see that we had a quick little demonstration there. Um, this is where it goes through all the materials that we like to do. I'm adding them to my agenda now. So I'm going to go ahead and click my sessions. And you'll notice here, these are my sessions that I've picked. I'm only going to see what I'm interested in, and I still get all the details when I open one of them up. Now that you've gone ahead and added things to your sessions, let's go ahead and check out some other areas where we have discussion boards. You guys can add any kind of discussion boards you like. These are areas where you can see all the members that are attending the group. You can also create public or private chat rooms where you're allowed to chat amongst each other, which is an awesome feature. A lot of times people will do public groups where everyone can get in there and post pictures of where they're at, or hey, we're at this function, or we're at this bar or this restaurant. I've seen it be very helpful in other events. We hope that it could be just as helpful for this one. Another thing to cover here is that we also have the gallery. The photo gallery, you guys can feel free to add photos by hitting the plus button in the top bar here. People can like the photos, comment on the photos. You will have to click access or OK to allow them to access your photos. Once you've done that, it'll allow you to upload them. And again, like, comment, share. You can download the photos if you want in the future when you're done. But I think this is a great opportunity for everyone to share their experiences and the things they got to do. We look forward to seeing you guys in Seattle. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We are more than happy to help you. And we look forward to seeing you in Seattle.